Hi, welcome back to another video, because that's what we're all about here, videos. And family. Family too. This morning around 10 a.m. I said, hey girl, we gotta go to Moe's. No, we have to go to Lowe's. Gotta go to Lowe's, yeah. So I went to Lowe's and I was like walking down the aisles and I was like, where do we find cardboard boxes and plastic storage boxes? But I didn't ask anyone because I said, I'm an independent woman. Brooke, you're 18 years old, you're about to go to college, you gotta learn how to do things on your own. So I looked up and I read the signs and I found one that said household storage, something like that. And I said, that's what I want. So I ran, I sprinted, I didn't sprint, I walked at a leisure pace. I found it. Chips Ahoy, I found it. I found the row of plastic storage bins and piles, mountains of cardboard boxes. So I grabbed all my supplies, I went to self-checkout, got it all, loaded that baby into my trunk. That trunk almost not good enough, but I gave some words of encouragement. Then I brought all my stuff home and I burst through the door. And then I said, uh-oh, I forgot tape. It's now 6 p.m. and I got tape. For the remainder of this video, it will be me packing up some of my memorabilia of this year. But yeah, let's get on to that. I'm just gonna start going through this shelf thingy and kind of organizing it. That was it. Also, I'm probably gonna need like a bag to throw stuff out. Ariana left her allergy medicine, so that's cute. Love that. Cool, 60 cents. So now we've got a bunch of books. I'm in the middle of Breakfast of Champions by Kurt Vonnegut. Pretty good book. Bought this version because it was translated by John Butt. Running around. Oh! This is Max's Bar Mitzvah card. Then I have my 2 dog books. I've got 4 of the Percy Jackson books. And then I've just got a bunch of like stuff. This is a T-Mobile bill. So that's fun. And then I've got a bunch of playbills. Well, when I say bunch, I mean 3 playbills. All right, we got one shelf cleared out. Look at us go. I've got this little guy, which I won at an arcade. Then I've got my entire PS. There's a dead bug. There's a dead bug right there. We're just gonna leave that there. Oh, this is fun. A bag of melatonin. Ooh, bag. How about I put stuff in here? Look at me using my brain. Yay, we have a bag of books. Go Brooke. My house is in the middle of the street. Well, this is garbage, so. Ugh. I'm literally so bored of this. Oh, I'm still wearing these. Ah, look at this. It's a bookmark that I can put in with my books because that is the most likely place that they should be. We've got Pee-Pee Man number 2 and a hat from the Atlanta Braves game. It's not like a real hat, if you couldn't tell. Time for this bad boy to come down. Garbage. Garbage. My beautiful graduation cap. Go watch that video. Link below. Brooke, remember to do that. High school diploma. Garbage. Just kidding. Can't throw that one out yet. Do I need this? Is this like, do I need this? It's the little tassel thing. Garbage. You guessed it. Garbage. Garbage. Keeping this. What's in here? You guessed it. Garbage. What I think to be a used Q-tip. Garbage. Alright, so now we're gonna do this. My nightstand. Baxter's here lending his help. Thank you, buddy, for being so helpful. Did you know that you're being helpful by just laying here? I have like all these Harry Potter pins from when I saw Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. So I'm gonna put that on here. Now we've got a little pin scrap piece of paper. I don't know. Harry Potter badges, because I couldn't pick just one. Thank you so much for all of your help, Baxter. We really appreciate it. Then we've got my pepper spray for just in case. Baxter, stop! No! Well, we've got a bunch of glasses. Can you donate glasses? Can you get out of here, Baxter? I also have my Harry Potter time turner. Whoa, wait, hold on. That's you. That's you. Do you see yourself? I got this for my birthday, and it's like a little snow globe thing that you put your pictures in. So I put my own picture in it because it was the only one that fit, honestly. And I also have this picture. Even though I have one in here, I put one here. And then we have a chapstick. Isn't that cute? Ignore the garbage mess that is my bathroom. I don't even know what this lid is for. And that just went in the toilet. Yes! Ew, why do I look like this? Why did someone let me leave the house like this? We're just gonna put stuff in this little box. These are my Harry Potter wand brushes that my cousin got me that I love so much. It's just a shame that I don't really do makeup very often. But when I do, I use these. Ah! These cowboy hats. Will I throw them out? Absolutely not. Even though they don't even fit my brain. They're made for a child.
A child.
Oh, cute. I love this. Do I need it? No. Will I be keeping it? Yes. Who is she? Okay, this one might be a little bit more fun because this is where I keep some of my fun arts and crafts, exciting, fun stuff. So first things first, we've got my ink box thingy that I haven't used yet because I'm afraid, I guess. We've got my embroidery hoop, then we've got my craft bucket. It's a bucket of crafts. Oh, I have an idea. Let's take a picture. Wait, I forgot how to do this. Oh, I remember apparently. A bath bomb. Play-Doh. Honestly, listen. I told you before I was nostalgic, right? Yeah. I'm the worst. I literally kept the receipt from what I bought at Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. Like, am I okay? And then I also kept the bags that they gave me, like, to put the stuff in. Am I okay? Whenever I need a Band-Aid, I always go to my dad's room and I'm like, do you have a Band-Aid? And he's like, we're running low, better get more Band-Aids. But I literally have a first aid kit. Like, am I okay? Got a bunch of Band-Aids, which I think are monkey themed. Because basically monkey. I'm done for the night. I took an hour break and then I just like, it's 8:45, I'm ready to go to sleep. Tomorrow, yes, we're gonna get it all done. I forgot, it matured. What is that called? It's so cute. You can't even see really the camera, but I love this. Welcome to my closet. Now it's time to pack this bad boy up. Yay! Alright, so game plan is I look terrifying. How about we just get cracking and just start doing it. Some sweaters. Now there's definitely going to be some clothes that I'm not going to be bringing to college. For example, this shirt. Definitely this shirt. I will never wear this shirt again. Probably just donate it. 20 years later, someone's going through Goodwill. They find a shirt that says "Be sorry." They go, oh my god. I have no idea who this is. Alright, here, this is fun. Scarves. I'm just gonna pack all of my Harry Potter scarves because I have them all. Every single one in the universe now. The first time I saw Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, I got the Gryffindor scarf. And then the second time I went, I got the rest of them because I have no self-control. You see me at New Paltz and you need a scarf. Alright, look at us go. Look at us. Oh my god, Baxter is falling asleep while standing up right behind the camera. And I wish I could show you because it's actually the funniest thing in the world. He's standing on all four legs, falling asleep. I know it's not your birthday, but doesn't mean you can't wear it. Oh, no, wear it. It's cute. And it's so handsome. Yay, good boy, good boy. No. Whoa. Oh, here's my embroidery string. Found it. Okay. Baxter! When did you take your hat off? wearing his hat. That's so sweet. You're a sweet boy, you know that? No! Baxter! If you don't want to wear it, I'll wear it. He hates me. So this is my Harry Potter time turner. Go ahead, make fun. This is such a fun angle. I'm gonna tackle some of my clothes and just throw them in my suitcase. Don't throw them. I'm gonna pack them in my suitcase. So this is gonna be a fun little time lapse. This is gonna be a fun little time lapse. Check it out! Okay, I pretty much have everything packed, kind of. Not really. Baxter, get out of your stuff. Hi, Maxie. I love you. Thanks. So I have the green bag, but when I put everything in it, minus all this, it didn't fit. This is for Veronica. She didn't even see it coming. All right, well, I'm gonna pack you up and then I'll see you in New York.